So let's hop over a trade breakdown of the last few days since it was tremendously ugly, which well happens sometimes. If we focus on Wednesday, because well Tuesday we already broke that shit down, we were just bearish, and I mentioned maybe Wednesday will form the low of the week to take out this huge trendline liquidity which we formed over this week. Well, in this case, it turned out it did not. And well, I looked at this swing low here, which was smart money, SMT, which didn't occur. So, well, market fucked our asses. So we waited for a CISD in between here, which occurred. Wait and enter for a buy, or you enter for nothing. What the fuck? Yes, you enter for a buy here. Stop loss goes below the swing low, and your take profit could be all the way up here somewhere. And well, we got fucked on this trade because well, I have no clue why, but it happens mostly because I think there was this daily fair value gap which was unmitigated in between here, and maybe we just wanted to mitigate this even more. If we hop down right now into the 2 hour time frame, we can see well, still a bunch of liquidity build up. Very nice. And today, Thursday, we could have waited for a CISD. I didn't think that market will give you anything today. Not gonna lie. I thought market will definitely just bullshit around again. But in this case, Wednesday fucked our ass here and then closed off. Casual bearish day, so you could have sold above the high, waited for it to close, and that's simply it. Since I thought we were bullish because of the CISD, well, turned out to not be bullish. In this case, we could have waited for the 1 hour or even 15 minute. It doesn't matter, it's the same. This swing high needs to get candle closed, which is well quite big. If you enter like this and you protect the overall situation, well, you still get a nice risk to reward, I think. I want to 2.2, well, it's okay. But nobody wants to have a 40 pip stop loss because we are not fucking position traders or swing traders. We like to trade intraday. And for the intraday trade, we waited for this CISD, which was simple price action. So right now you can see, I also marked it out in the Discord, market just moves up like this. I don't know why, but well, it's called a complex buildup, not a pullback. It's called a complex buildup to provide you with liquidity to maybe get taken out in the future here. And market builds up and then gives you the CISD in between here. It absolutely makes no sense where the CISD is. It also doesn't really matter. You could have entered after the CISD and protected the swing low, which formed the CISD or got made by the CISD or whatever. Personally, I waited for a 1 hour CISD. Why? Well, I didn't like the lower time frame. So you have the CISD in between here, and then you wait, and I personally missed out on this nice entry here. But as you see, it's just price action, which goes higher, rejecting lows or mitigating areas and breaking highs. And right now you see you reject lows, break highs, and you have this key area here, which is an order block, combine it with a fair value gap. Here you could have pressed buy. It's also where I entered for a long after this candle got closed. My stop loss was below this candle here, which formed the fair value gap. And then my overall take profit is still this high from last week's 1 to 6. This is a nice risk reward which we can well then take. And then market played around a little bit, and right now we just humiliated everything and we are pushing higher like nothing. We are up around 1.4k, which is, well, I risked 1% on this trade. It's already at break even or stop profit. I had two losing trades, one yesterday, later on this trade here. Today one, because, well, as mentioned, I think I wanted to sell here because I have no fucking clue why. But yeah, after the CISD, I just focused on trading with my plan, which all of you should do. I then waited, I entered price action wise, and my stop loss is in break even right now. And if you right now hop into the 2-hour time frame, oh, I'm tired. You can see that we have this big fair value gap here. So this one, or even this one. And if we go into the 4-hour time frame, which we quite like even more, you have right now this fair value gap, which could be a nice key area for us tomorrow to simply buy below the open. The thing is, there is tremendously a big amount of news. So you have quite a bit of news in here, which I really do not like. But well, what cannot change it. We can only adapt. So let's just pray that for tomorrow we will have Asia as a consolidation, maybe even come up higher, then drop down lower, wait for a CISD, and then finish off this week. For tomorrow I'm bullish, so I want to buy below the open. The thing is, there's news at 8, at 9:15 and 9:30 a.m, which is not nice, but well, I have to work there anyways. But this is the only key area where we could get into, wait for a CISD, and then press buy. That's the only thing that I'm looking for tomorrow. That's simply it for the trade breakdown already. It's not much. Today was quite ugly. Yesterday was an absolute deserved loss. Which happens because you can't be right 100% of the times. But well, today anyways I made it back. Right now the trade is still running. I think I will just move my stop loss around here, so I make even a little bit of stop profit money, even though it's fucking demo money. I will switch to a brokerage next month. But that's simply it.